Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system so customization is safe and reversible. Run sudo apt update and upgrade, then install ZSH and Git so you can use modern shells and fetch themes. Once done, back up your current shell and terminal configs to a separate file or folder. This lets you revert quickly. Make sure to change your login shell with $, which ZSH, after installing ZSH, because many custom prompts and tools assume ZSH as the active shell. You now install a framework like OhmyZSH to manage themes and plugins. It speeds custom work. Clone a prompt such as PowerLevel 10K and install a patched nerd font for proper glyphs. Set your terminal font in preferences. Next, edit // ZSHRC to pick the theme and enable useful plugins like Git and ZSH Auto Suggestions. Once done, source // ZSHRC or open a new terminal to see changes. Tweak prompt settings interactively and commit a working ZSHRC backup. You finish by polishing terminal profiles. Open preferences and create a profile with your font, color scheme, background transparency, and a custom command if desired. Set useful key bindings and copy-paste behavior so your workflow is faster. Export the profile for reuse. If something goes wrong, restore the backups you made earlier or reset the terminal profile to default, then reapply changes incrementally. A key troubleshooting tip: check file permissions and run the shell manually to observe errors before assuming global failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.